welcome here. My name is Deepak Jha and today we will learn about paddings in CSS. So the padding property is used to generate space around the element content and inside of any defined border. And similar like margin, you can apply padding also individually on each side. So for padding from top, you have to use padding top property. Padding from right, then you have to use padding right. For bottom, you have to use padding bottom, and for the left, you have to use padding left. So let's take an example first. So first we will create a file, copy this code and paste here. Alright, now save the file first. I'm gonna use the name css-padding.html. Fine, and now save type is all type. Now save the file, and it's a padding example. Sorry, padding. All right. So remove this CSS. Instead of using background color, we will use the border property, and first value is the width of the border. Okay, 1px, and second value is the type of border, and third value is the color of border. Just increase width. Okay, now save the file and run in the browser. Remove this. Okay, so run the file in the browser. Just double click on the file and see the border is applied. Now we will apply padding, and first we will take padding from the top border. So for this we will use padding top property, and let's add 100px padding. Now refresh the file after saying so. Now you can spot the difference that padding is applied from the top border to the content. Now we will use the padding right and use the 50px. Alright, so no changes because there is already gap from right border to the content. Now we will apply padding from the bottom. Alright, use 100px. Now save the file and run in the browser. Okay, so padding from the bottom border is applied. Now we will apply padding from the left border and use 50px. Alright, now you can spot the difference. So padding is applied, and similar like margin, we can use padding property, and it will accept 4 values. First is for the margin padding top, second value is for the padding right, third value is for the padding bottom, and last value is for the padding left. And remove all these 4 properties. Now save the file. So you can see padding is applied, and let's use same padding for the bottom and top, and same for the left right. So you can use 2 properties. Now you can see the difference. Now let's apply same padding from all the sides. So we will use just one value. Okay, just increase some 300. Okay, so you can see padding 300 pixel is applied from the top, bottom, left and right. So now you can spot the difference from right to. Now just decrease some. Alright,